Hello, I just wanted to say good luck to all the Welsh medical students who are starting in some capacity, either today as I am or have already started. I know the final years, a lot of them are working as medical student clinical assistants. Some will be starting as interim foundation year doctors very soon. A lot of the lower years are taking on jobs as healthcare support workers, phlebotomists, administrative assistants. The whole student body across Wales is mobilising to help the NHS in this COVID-19 crisis, which is just amazing. Some of you may be nervous. I'm a bit nervous. I'm off to training now in a few minutes. But I just wanted to remind you that the BMA is here to support you. We have our wellbeing services as always, which are 24/7 and free. We also have the contract checking service, so you can send along any documentation that you're unsure of. You can have our team look it over and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to support you. We want to make sure that you guys have the support you need behind you as you go off into this crazy new environment. But I also wanted to say, I know you're ready. We've been training for this. You can do it. We can do it together. Good luck.